Greetings, dear English learners. Today we're going to practice how to ask for and give directions. Ready to begin? Let's go. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest subway station? Sure. Go straight ahead, take the first left, and you'll find the station on your right. I'm a bit lost. Could you help me find my way to the art gallery? Of course. Walk down this road, turn right at the second junction, and the art gallery will be on your left. Which way is the post office? The post office is just round the corner. Turn left here and walk about 100 metres. You'll see it on your right. Could you point me in the right direction for the shopping centre? Absolutely. Walk straight ahead, cross the road, and the shopping centre will be on your right. Is the park nearby? Yes, it's not far. Just carry on down this street, take the first left, and the park will be on your right. Do you know where I can find the nearest chemist? Yes, there's a chemist a few streets away. Keep going straight and you'll see it on the corner. I'm looking for the railway station. Do you know how I can get there? Sure thing. Walk down this road, turn right at the traffic lights, and you'll see the railway station ahead. Can you show me the way to the library on the map? Of course. Here's the library, and you are here. You can take this street and then make a left. I need to find the nearest supermarket. Could you give me some directions? Of course. To get to the nearest supermarket, head down this road, take the second left, and you'll see it on your right-hand side. I'm trying to get to the hotel. Could you guide me there? No problem. Walk down this road, turn left at the junction, and you'll see the hotel right in front of you. Is there a landmark or notable building near the park? Yes, there's a big clock tower near the park. When you see the clock tower, the park will be just across the street. Which street do I need to take to reach the restaurant? You'll want to walk down High Street for a few blocks, then make a right onto Church Road. The restaurant will be on your left. Is it far from here to the cinema? Not at all. It's just a short walk. Go down the road, cross the bridge, and you'll find the cinema on the other side. How long does it take to walk to the museum? It's about a 15-minute walk. Head down this road and you'll reach the museum in no time. Are there any buses that go to the airport? Yes, you can catch the number 45 bus right here. It'll take you directly to the airport.